Hello! Today I have a pretty exciting Frankenswitch to share with you all. I'm affectionately calling these the Cotton Candy Boba Switches. I guess I'm kind of on a drink phase, but we'll roll with it. Shout out to Lube Switches for producing these. You can check out his page and his website. Chris does an amazing job offering Lube switches for a reasonable price. The switch is made with a cotton candy bottom housing, a 68-gram slow spring, and halo clear stem, as well as with a Boba top. I'm not particularly a fan of tactile switches, but I was inspired to make these, one, because these cotton candy switches just came in, and although I'm personally not a fan of the light-medium tactility, but the improved bottom housing actually plays well with the Boba tops, to where I can actually run these in a hot swap board where I couldn't with the Sojus. There's a negligible amount of pre-travel, and from what my fingers can feel, there's no post-travel. In terms of tactility from these switches, comparing them from what I've made and tried before, I would rank these actually above the Sojus and then Zycos and then Holy Bobas. In terms of feel, it's a little bit jarring using these switches off the bat since I've only been using linears for quite a while now. But if you're looking for a very tactile switch that has a sharp tactile curve, this may be something for you to consider, albeit it's a bit pricey to make. I personally really enjoy these, and they've become my go-to in terms of tactiles. But let me know your thoughts down below if you on these switches, and have a great one. Thanks.